this video, we're going to troubleshoot any Apple HomePod mini speaker that cannot find your iPhone. It can't discover your iPhone, so they're not able to connect. So that's actually a pretty easy fix, but we're going to go ahead and troubleshoot it. Now, if you need to go over this again, you can go into the description. I'll put a full description on how to fix this issue. But the very first thing you do is want to make sure the Bluetooth is turned on. So, for example, in your iPhone or your iPad, just go to the HomePod, go to the open settings on your iPhone, and then tap Bluetooth, and then turn Bluetooth back on. So that might be what is the issue, because your Bluetooth's not on. Next thing you want to do is make sure your iPhone and your HomePod mini are on the same Wi-Fi. So on your iPhone, go to settings, and then go to Wi-Fi, and then check your Wi-Fi network name. The HomePod mini and iPhone need to be on the same network. And of course, avoid guest Wi-Fi, public Wi-Fi, and then network devices isolation enabled. All right, another thing you want to do is make sure that your iPhone is close to your HomePod mini. So for example, if you're in another room or even across the room, temporarily bring your iPhone to the HomePod mini and see if it can discover it that way. And then if you can do that and pair it, then you know that then if you go to a different room, it should still work. All right. Next thing is turn Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off and back on. So what you can do is you can toggle it. So in your iPhone or your iPad, open up settings, turn Wi-Fi off, and then turn Bluetooth back off, and wait for 10 seconds and then turn it back on. As a matter of fact, toggle it, turn it on and off a few times and see if it'll discover it. You'll find that a lot of times it will. Another thing to do is restart your iPhone or your iPad and restart it, and then turn it back on and then see if it will discover it. You can restart the HomePod mini. You can do it by through the Home app, or you can just simply unplug it. And for kicks, if you want to, what you could do is restart your iPhone at the same time and then plug everything back in and see if it will rediscover it that way. And then check your Apple ID and your Home app. Your iPhone and HomePod need to be connected to the same Apple Home. So check by going to the Home app in your iPhone, tap the three dots, tap Home Settings, and confirm you're signed in and connect with the correct Apple ID. And then enable Home app permissions. So on your iPhone, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, tap Local Network, and make sure the Home is turned on. And also check in your settings for Bluetooth and Home should be enabled. All right, and then 8, update your iPhone and your HomePod mini. So with iPhone, just go to Settings, go to General, then go to Software Update. HomePod, you go to HomePod, Home Settings, and Software Update, and then restart both devices and then do it again. And then last but not least is to do a full factory reset on your HomePod mini. And so to do that, you just unplug it for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, plug it back in and immediately hold down this button here and don't let go, and then you'll start seeing a red, blue, swirly thing, and then it'll trumpet, it'll beep 3 times, and then see if you're able to pair the two. All right, thanks for watching. Let me know which method worked for you.